Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase deployment capacity in Kingshot. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to increase your deployment capacity in Kingshot, which allows you to field larger squads and improve rally strength. The key building for this is the command center, unlocked either by leveling up your town center or completing certain chapters that guide you to build it. Once the command center is available, upgrading it directly increases your squad deployment capacity and rally limits and can even boost zoom power. Additionally, you can further enhance deployment capacity by investing in related technologies and research which provide permanent improvements to how many troops you can send into battle. Focusing on both the command center upgrades and supporting research ensures your armies are stronger and more versatile on the battlefield. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.